Hi y'all. An animal ate all my peanuts. Don't know what it was. I think it might be that armadillo. But if you look here, see, we got a raccoon coming around here too. And the raccoon hit the corn when it was growing. See that? So let me show you the peanuts. I came early at sunup to harvest all these peanuts, and well, they're all gone, except maybe about just a handful. But the cows love the plants, but whatever it was ate everything. And you can see, well, I can't see too good here, but you know, you can see where it opened it up. I don't know if it was a raccoon or that armadillo, but it dug around all these plants. You can see where it dug around because the peanuts are just under the surface. See that? Dug all around in there. The peanuts are just under the surface. And I'll go ahead and pull this one. See, there's one. See, just opened it, just dug all the way around the plant and ate everything. See that? Damn. See how it dug all the way around? See more open shells right there, over here. Missed that one. So everything got eaten. See more shells. The only thing I could save was just a handful right here. Let me go ahead and open that one up. Look at that. They're good looking peanuts though. See that? So, you know, I looked at